Watch number 447, effective until 1 a.m. Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Vero, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Grundy, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Livingston, Marshall, McKinley, Eagle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Will, Winnebago, and Woodford, and Lake, Indiana, and the following: Windsor Harbor, Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to north of the island, Illinois, and north of the island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, K-West 039.